But it's
Stop.
dirty.
Stop. Leave it alone
But
for a
I
minute.
play
Jesus,
with
fuck.
it.
No. Leave it alone. I see that tongue.
It's touching me. It touched my butt.
Sorry, kitty.
Now you can lick it.
I know, now I don't want to lick it.
Its butt doesn't have to breathe.
I want to lick its face. Please, I want to lick its face.
Come here, kitty. I save you from all the dogs. I save you
You're
from all
so
the
cute.
dogs. I save you from all the dogs. What are you doing?
Like, I don't know.
What are you doing? I said that and it was like, meow. What are you doing? You're gonna fall off my hand.
So tiny.
Are you hungry? Do you want to eat more? Here. If you let me just get up here for a minute.
Oh, sorry, buddy.
Here, look.
I'm gonna video it. Anna.
Look. No, this way. Do you see it? Is that what you want?
I think it just wants to go to sleep. Oh, maybe not.
Oh. Sorry, I squeezed it too hard. You want some more? What the fuck is this?
He's like, my mom's tits don't look like this.
Look.
He's like, now that you mention
Coming
it.
out there and not the frickin'...
What was wrong with the bottle? Oh, look how cute.
Evan said it
You're
didn't
so
work.
cute. You're really, really close, though. I can't see your face. Where are you going? Where are you going?
Oh, sorry. Here, let me see.
Hannah, must you
Coming out
lick
there
it
now.
always?
When you squeeze it.
Yeah.